आज की ताज़ा खबर, हो गई है गजनी गैंगस्टर की मौत। क्या होगी संजय सिंघानिया को मौत की सज़ा? आइए जानते हैं एडवोकेट जिया और एडवोकेट अनस की ज़ुबानी। Honorable Judge, prosecutor here representing Gajni, who has been allegedly and ruthlessly murdered by Sanjay Singhania. The entire viral video shows how the Sanjay Singhania took a lethal weapon and killed Gajni. Therefore, I urge the Honorable Court to hold Sanjay Singhania liable under Section 300, Clause 1, as he had the intention of killing my client Gajni, as he wanted to take revenge from him, and he should be punished under Section 302 for punishment for murder, which is death or imprisonment for life and fine.
The counsel here represents the defendant Sanjay Singhania, who has been wrongly accused for the murder of Gajni, who was known as a gangster and have done various criminal acts. With reference to the Kalpana murder case, where he was liable for Kalpana's murder and grievous hurt to Sanjay, because of which Sanjay has to suffer from short-term memory loss, and which made Sanjay a person of an unsound mind when the criminal act was done of Gajni's murder. And according to the section 84 of IPC, where the act of a person of unsound mind is not an offence by the reason of unsound mind is incapable of knowing the nature of the act. So therefore, the court should note that Sanjay was of an unsound mind when the criminal act was done. Moreover, I would also like to state that as mentioned by the learned prosecutor, Sanjay Singhania did not have the knowledge of who is Gajni, though therefore he couldn't have thought about the revenge as well. Also, Gajni here was the first aggressor, and as per section 100 of clause 1, Gajni stabbed Sanjay and was about to do the same with Sunita, and that made Sanjay to act on a private defense for him and Sunita, both of them. Therefore, I would also like to urge the court to acquit my client, as this was a similar judgment in the case of Vishwanath versus State of UP.
Taken by my learned counsel could not be applicable in this case, as private defense of Sanjay Singhania has been ended at the moment when Gajni reached a state when he was unconscious and there was no sudden apprehension of death anymore in that situation. But he still kept on attacking Gajni until he was dead. And the another defense that was taken and couldn't be taken was of unsound mind. As we have analyzed the facts from the viral video, Sanjay was in state of revenge, and he has the knowledge and was aware of the nature of the act he was doing. The dilemma of medical and legally insanity could also be proved by the case State of Maharashtra versus Umesh Krishna Pawar. In this case, there was a medically insane person who has raped a girl and has later tried to hide the body and evidence of the incident. Later, he couldn't take the defense of medical insanity because he was legally sane at the time of the incident and was aware of the acts. Similarly, Sanjay can't take the defense of medical insanity as he was in the state of revenge and he was aware of his acts, what he was.
Highlighting the case of Muthu versus State, which applied to the exception of murder, that is section 300 of IPC, that deals with the case of grave and sudden provocation. It is essential to note that situation should be both grave and sudden to fall under exception 1 of the section 300 of IPC. Gajni created a scene which is same as the scene of Kalpana's death, which was grave as well as sudden for Sanjay. Therefore, Sanjay felt cumulative provocation of both Kalpana and Sunita's murder scene being created, which made Sanjay out of control and therefore making Gajni's offense grave and sudden at the same time, and because of which Sanjay should be acquitted. ताज़ा खबर, सुप्रीम कोर्ट का आ गया है सबसे बड़ा फैसला। संजय सिंघानिया को हो गई है गैर इरादतन हत्या की सजा, जो कि है कल्पेबल होमिसाइड।
It is held in the apex court that Sanjay Singhania will be held liable for culpable homicide not amounting to murder because he has been deprived of the self-control due to grave and sudden provocation by Gajni.